So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change phone number on Exness. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your exness.com account and log in to your account. After that you can see your trading, payments and wallet, insights, Exness benefits, copy trading, support hub. You can see your profile as well. Now through there you can see your verification, security and trading terminal. What I suggest is that you get to your security. Once there, you can see your login, you can see your password, and you can see your two-step verification. So you can click on change in order to change that. Once you're here, you can see the option of getting an authentication app, some push notifications, which is recommended, I guess. You can also click on I can't access my device, which is a very big problem. And then you can click on next to get some more information. So you can just click on a new phone number. And once you click on that, you're going to be given the option to type in that phone number and you will get a specific notification on that mobile device, on which you can just click the prompts to get you into using it as a way to verify that it's really you that's using the account. You can also click on change to change that specific phone number in order for it to remain like that. So that's about it. That's how you can change phone number in Exness. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Exness or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.